When we start YouTube automation, the main goal is to get views, right? Without views, you're unable to get income and stuff like that, affiliate marketing, sales with your channel. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get more views with YouTube automation. So let's just get straight into it. So when you are doing YouTube automation and specifically search-based YouTube automation, the main thing that's going to be the most important driving factor in your YouTube channel is going to be your channel keywords or your video topics that you decide to make videos on. So here's an example of actually a good keyword that you as a small channel will have the ability to rank for. So this is how to add categories and subcategories in Shopify. So I have a full method on how to find these topics in order to upload these videos in the search-based channels. I will leave a video tutorial linked up in the description down below that shows the step-by-step method of how to find these keywords. So one way to tell if it's a good keyword and if it has a lot of competition, if you just highlight the keyword and then push Command C and Command F, or Control C and Control F, you can see right here that only 5 results pop up, meaning that not many channels have this exact keyword in their title, meaning that you can rank for this as a small channel. And you can see that by the search results. This channel right here with just 1.6 thousand subscribers was able to rank this tutorial video at the top, number 1. This channel is only got 9.8 thousand subscribers, also ranked. He has a big channel. And you can see as you scroll down, you'll get relatively small channels, not just channels that are just starting out, but like medium-sized and even like small channels with 1,000 subscribers. So you want to choose good keywords when it comes to your search-based topics that you decide to make videos on. Without good keywords, you're not going to be able to get a lot of views because you simply won't be able to rank that video in the search results to get those views. So a good keyword means you get views. A bad keyword means you don't get views. Here's an example of a bad keyword that a small channel should not try to target. This is how to delete Facebook account, one of the most competitive keywords in search-based YouTube automation. So I'm going to push Command C and Command F. And as you can see here, there's 73 results. So pretty much if you're just getting started with your channel, you're going to stand no chance to be able to rank for this. So it kind of comes down to finding these hidden gems within the search results to be able to make your videos on. Like I said, if you want to learn the full method, watch that tutorial video linked up in the description. So you want to have good keywords. Then you want to have good on-page SEO to be able to rank your video at the top. So here's an example of a video I uploaded, how to add color swatches in Shopify. So you'll just, when you're doing your keyword research, so if you find this video right here, you'll copy this. And then when you're uploading your video, you'll put that as your exact title. So you rank for that exact keyword. Then for the description, you don't need to put much. For me, I just put the actual title again in the description, and that has been working well for me. You can add some more long tail keywords in there. Like you can sprinkle in your main keyword like 3 or 4 times in a written text description, and then that'll be good. You can even use ChatGPT to be able to write these descriptions for you if you are struggling with that. Then you need to basically just upload your thumbnail. You can put it in a playlist, so that can get you some more views over time. If someone decides that they want to watch a lot of videos in one specific playlist of yours. So it's always a good idea to add the video to a playlist. Then you want to select no, it's not made for kids. And I uncheck all of these options. You can do that. And then for the tags, I just put 1 tag because in 2024, tags don't really do much for the ranking process. So I just put the title in the tag once again, and then I scroll down, and then the one thing I don't do is I uncheck this box that says publish to subscribers, feed and notify subscribers, because sometimes I publish 20 videos in a day, sometimes I publish 30 videos in a day, and I don't want to spam my subscribers with that. So I uncheck that box. If you're doing like a personal brand channel, then you want to like publish to your subscribers so you can get that initial view velocity on the video. But for search-based, if you're uploading a lot, you can uncheck that box because the main goal of your videos is to rank in search It's not going to get many views from subscribers anyway. So to avoid losing subscribers, you just uncheck that box and you'll be good to go, and the rest of the settings is pretty straightforward right there. Now, in order to get even more views with your video, you want to make a better video than your competitors and even like slightly longer video. So if I go back to these search results of this good keyword right here, you can see that the top ranking video is 1 minute and 9 seconds. So if you make a video that's 2 minutes and 50 seconds, you're going to get more watch time on that video. The most important thing on YouTube is getting a lot of watch time. So if you make a longer video and more in depth with more helpful content, people are going to be more satisfied with that video and it's going to rank higher in the search results. So make a better video and a slightly longer video than your competitors to be able to outrank them. You can see these are 8 minutes. You don't have to make them like 8 minutes. And by the way, what I'm showing you is the social media apps niche, but this process works in any niche that you choose. This can be the making money online niche. This can be the cryptocurrency niche, the cooking niche, health and fitness, whatever it is, this process will be the same. So you want to make a better and longer video than your competitors. Now, a very important thing in getting views on your YouTube videos is having a high click-through rate thumbnail. You want to be able to produce a thumbnail that's going to get a lot of clicks on it when people find that video in the search results. I have done a full thumbnail tutorial, which I'll also leave linked up in the description box, that can give you a general idea on how to actually create these search-based thumbnails. So I'm just on my channel right here, and you can see over 17 million views. I was able to get a 18.8% click-through rate, which is driving me a lot of views on a monthly basis to my channel. You can see on some days it's like 23%, 24%, 18%, 19%. So you can see some days it's really, really high. And then, but the average is 18.8%. And if you follow that tutorial in the description, that's going to get you between a 15 and 20% click-through rate. And that's the format that works really, really well with search-based videos. So you can follow that guide to be on the right track with that. Then the next important thing when getting views with search-based channels is you need to do it at scale. There's no point in just uploading 10 videos or 20 videos or 30 videos. You want to upload hundreds of videos onto your search-based channel. And depending on how long it takes to create the videos, it's all going to be dependent on your niche. Are you doing the longer 8 to 10 minute videos, or are you doing these quick short 2 to 3 minute videos? So you want to do this at scale and with a lot of volume over time. So you can see a channel like MD Tech Videos right here. They have 10,000 videos. So you can see that's a lot of volume, and that's what's pretty much needed in the search-based space if you want to continue to get views. So you can get a lot of views with your back catalog of videos, but if you want to continue to grow your channel over time, you want to upload a lot of videos. So you can see this channel has 10,000 videos and they're getting 5.9 million views per month, which is going to be a lot of AdSense revenue. Then you can see this channel right here has 7.7 thousand videos. So you can see once again a lot of volume, and they have 11.6 million views every single 30 days. So that's definitely a contributing factor as to why they're getting these views, because they have good thumbnails, they have better and longer videos than their competitors, they have a great amount of volume, and importantly, they have good keywords. Now, if you're struggling to upload thousands and thousands of videos onto your YouTube channel, then you want to outsource your content. You can do YouTube automation, doing the videos yourself, but that's not really automated. So if you want to automate the whole process, you can go onto platforms like Upwork, and there's another one called onlinejobs.ph. You can find freelancers to actually make these videos for you, and I do have a tutorial that will show you more about this, which will be in the description box. So that's the process on how you get more views with your YouTube automation search-based channel. Now, if you want to learn more about this in more detail, then I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description. Just simply enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. And if you would like to have a full channel review and growth plan for your YouTube search-based channel, that link will also be in the description box down below. If you've got value from this, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next video.